So I went and fought all those out. Wasn't really much of a fight to strip down my print head. And get my finger out of there. Oh, what have I done? Oh, there I'm back. I stripped down my print head. I'm gonna give it a quick clean, and basically gonna replace all of that unit, 2 units, and I'm gonna try yet another different type of printing head. See how it works. I tried this one, and it works, but not all that great. And I used my little electric mini screwdriver, and the tray has this magnetic portion in there, so it hangs onto the screws pretty well. And just give me a second. Pause. So I'm back at it. So I'm swapping out the printer. I got a new fan coming and a new hot end. I just replaced my fan. So, and I'm going to be replacing that, and like I say, I'm going to be replacing that entire unit. I got that one all cleaned out. All I got to do is screw on the new fan, and then I can reassemble all this stuff. One of the things I forgot to mention that it comes with is a magnetized, degaussing magnet. You can pass your bits through here and they'll become magnetic. Or you can do like I do. And I use these little tiny magnets here, with a hole in the center, and I can put it on my screwdriver bit, which is what I used to do for the Allen keys. Work stupider, not smarter.